introduce you to my new Dudley Toolwright Instagram page, real.dudleytoolwright. And the reason I have a new page with almost no pictures on it is because someone hacked and stole my original account. They kept my pictures, all of them, most of which I don't have backups for. And I'd really like to get it back. So I want to ask everyone a favor. If you could go to this page, just look dudley.toolwright, my original account. It'll come up as now CryptomancerXX, but it is dudley.toolwright. If you search for it, you'll find it. All you have to do is go up to the three dots in the corner, click on Options, click on Report, click on Report Account, and then is pretending to be someone else and someone I follow, Dudley Toolwright, and you can point them to my YouTube page if you want. I'd really appreciate the help on this. There's no way for me to easily report this site. Those 3 videos at the top there are all about cryptocurrency they're trying to sell using my account. I guess they figured I had some followers. Why not steal it? I did not have 2-factor authentication turned on. My bad. I had a decent password, but somehow they got it. I don't know quite how. And it's not reused on any other site. So I really use your help. If you could report this site as having been stolen, maybe I can get it back, because Instagram has no way to directly contact them, which is a real bummer. So please, I'm asking if you could help me out. If not, I understand. But those of you who do, thank you very much. And I really appreciate you following my channel. Thanks, guys and gals.